Hey, ActiveCollab has a brand new version coming up.
Awesome! I've heard it's really good.
Thousands of teams use it. I've been using it for 15 years. It all started as a project management tool and time tracking tool. But after a while, invoices to clients were introduced so I could charge my work through the app. When the first mobile version arrived, I was thrilled. And viewing tasks in 3 different views gives me the perspective I need. Working with ActiveCollab is like having a personal assistant. You can rely on it to make automated tasks so you don't have to. I ditched other reporting tools since I could already get reports about time and invoicing in ActiveCollab. Finally, I had everything in one place. Once the integrations came along, I could connect my ActiveCollab to any app. When automatic task rescheduling was introduced, I could make one change, and then ActiveCollab would do the rest. Our collaboration flows easily, and the team can comment on tasks and discussions. Most importantly, ActiveCollab makes sure no one burns out. Tasks are scheduled according to the team's needs and capacity. Over time, personal time tracking was improved, and it also gave me a better overview of the hours spent on a project. The in-app stopwatch allowed me to add time easily. I love that I can work across all devices, especially since the new mobile app was released in 2021.
That sounds great, but can you chat with the team?
Sure thing. When the in-app chat was introduced, I could ditch one more app. What I like the most is that I can save time creating projects using templates. It gives me the flexibility I need. I'm super excited about version 8. Knowing ActiveCollab, they have a lot of surprises in store.
That sounds impressive. I'll definitely give it a go.